Meet HomiQ W11, the world's first solar-powered 4G or Wi-Fi window camera. No drills, no tools, just stick it on and snap it in place. It installs from the inside, so it stays protected and out of sight. Turn it on, and you're good to go. Everything shows up right on your phone. No infrared glare, just real, full-color video, even through glass. mmWave radar detects real movement right through glass. Power it however you like, cable or sunlight. With solar charging, W11 runs day and night, endlessly, so you never worry about power again for 365 days. Even when you're far from your RV, W11 stays connected through built-in 4G, no Wi-Fi needed, so the moment something happens, you know. See someone approaching before they get too close. Talk to them.
Hey, go away!
Trigger the alarm. Most of the time, that's all it takes. Stick it on any window at home. No drilling, no damage, no permanent setup. You'll know exactly when a package shows up and who's standing outside your door. No more guessing. No more missed deliveries. It also works great indoors. Check in on your pets even when you're not home. And thanks to full-color night vision, you actually see what's happening, not just shadows. It's the kind of clarity that makes all the difference. Because security shouldn't feel complicated. HomiQ W11. Full-color protection. Through glass. Anytime, anywhere.